Hi, my name is Allyson Reneau. I'm from the United States. Today, I had the amazing opportunity to visit the School of Enablers. I love education. I have 11 children of my own, 9 daughters and 2 sons. And for me, I went back to school at 50 years old, and education changed my life. I'm very involved in education around the world in different projects. Today, I visited this school, and wow, I was really blown away by the unique energy and happiness of not only the leadership, but the teachers, the staff, and the students. I think what I saw that really impressed me was that the classrooms are very disciplined, very organized, very clean. The children felt happy and free to be themselves, to express themselves, to speak up, to talk, and to ask questions. And I want to be a part of the School of Enablers, and we plan to collaborate in the future, and I hope to contribute and make this place even more amazing than it already is. And I just want to give a shout out to this school and to all the leadership. Congratulations on your hard work. It's paid off, and I love the energy and the excitement and the enthusiasm of School of Enablers.